In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Udemy with a password. This is a simple but crucial step for ensuring your access to Udemy's vast library of courses, whether you're learning something new or honing an existing skill. Let's walk through the process together. To begin, open up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever you're most comfortable using. In the search bar, type Udemy and hit Enter. You should see the official Udemy website as one of the top results. Click on this link to navigate to the main page. Once you've reached the Udemy homepage, the first thing you'll need to do if you haven't already is log into your account. If you haven't created an account yet, make sure to do that before proceeding. Now, when logged in, take a look at the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice your initials displayed there. This is part of your user icon. Go ahead and hover your mouse over those initials. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. Here, you should select Account Settings. At this point, you'll be directed to a new page dedicated to your account settings. This section lets you manage various aspects of your Udemy account, including personal information and security settings. It's here that you can set or change your login credentials. If you originally registered for Udemy using Google or any other single sign-on service, you're going to need to assign a password to your account. This is important because having a dedicated password can make logging in more straightforward and sometimes more secure, especially if you're accessing Udemy from different devices. Now, within the account settings, you'll find an option to change your password. Click on this option. It usually involves creating a new password that's both secure and easy for you to remember. A good tip is to use a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to make it strong. Once you have entered your new password, double-check to ensure it's correct, then save your changes by clicking Change Password. With everything in place, you have now successfully assigned a password to your account. Going forward, when you want to log into Udemy, you'll be able to use your email along with this new password. This will streamline the login process for you, especially if you switch devices or locations frequently. And there you have it. By following these steps, you ensure that you can securely and easily access your Udemy account anytime you need. If you have any questions or run into issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Udemy's support for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and happy learning.